The next is we have to understand that how many kind of employments are there. When I talk of employments, there are people who are self-employed and there are people who are hired. Self-employed will be the kind of a person who works for himself. That doesn't mean he is doing work just for sustaining himself. Self-employed means a person's work is such that he is able to generate income for himself and his family. That is termed as self-employed. He does not need the help, assistance of any other institution. For example, a farmer works on his own land and thus is self-employed. The land is his own. The kind of work that he puts in his fields is his own efforts, and the income that he generates is also his. The second category is of the hired people. The hired are the ones which work in institutions, offices, factories, workshops and so on. They are the people who provide services to somebody. And for example, we can call that a teacher is actually a hired worker as she or he works for an institution. It can also be a proofreader who reads for or does the proofreading for a publication. So, employment generally are of two kind in broad categories, that is self-employed people and the hired people. Now, when we talk of the second category, that is the hired one, they again are subdivided into two, the casual and the regular workers. The casual workers are those workers who are employed just for some time. That is, they are the ones who do not get any kind of benefits, whether the benefits are monetary or otherwise. For example, they are not entitled to Provident Fund, they are not entitled to any kind of other schemes which we have, and they do not even get regular holidays. Then there are regular employees who are on the payrolls of the company. They are the ones who get all the benefits, that is Provident Fund, pension, and are also entitled to all kind of holidays. So, the basic difference between a casual worker and a regular worker is that a casual worker is taken very casual by the person who has employed him, and a regular worker is the one who is being looked after by the person who has employed him.